Imagine the aroma of spices wafting through the air, a tantalizing blend of saffron, cumin, and coriander. This is the essence of Moroccan roasted chicken, a dish that transports you to the bustling markets and sun-soaked landscapes of Morocco. The recipe is simple: a whole chicken marinated with a rich blend of spices, garlic, and lemon, then slow roasted to golden perfection. The result? A succulent, aromatic masterpiece that's a feast for the senses. The skin is crispy, the meat tender and juicy, infused with flavors that are both exotic and comforting. So, embark on a culinary journey with Moroccan roasted chicken, where every bite is a new discovery. Until next time, keep your palate adventurous and your kitchen filled with the sense of the world.